This is what it looks like, the packaging. You get all your manuals and all that fun stuff. As you can see, it is a 2-pack camera. This is the solar panel with plenty of cable length. It is a Type-C plug. You got all your accessories. This is what the camera looks like. You have your antennas mounted on right through there. Don't do this at home. I'm just demonstrating that it's 360 degrees. If you rotate this, you can see inside here, you put your TF card, you got your power, and also your reset button is inside there. Make sure you push it back in the whole way. Remove the plastic from the lens. You have your sensor and your camera lens right on here.